Hello.
Hello.
On your mark, get set, go. Here we are. All right. We got our doTERRA order today.
Yes, because I ran out of my collagen.
Yes, he did. So let's talk about the collagen while we're here.
Yes,
Since he brought that up.
Vanna White here.
Well, I don't know who's Vanna because it's not me.
I got one, and
I
Linda got two.
So, hi, Diana, how are you?
Hi, Diane.
So I got two because I didn't need my Lifelong Vitality or nutrient pack this time. So I ordered one of these at full price. And then I got this as the add-on because you can do what they call a cart in a cart. So if you're getting this or you're getting the vitamins, you can order 3 things at... Hi, Amy.
Hi, Amy.
Oh, you're so sweet. So if you're ordering these or the vitamins, you can order 3 other products at a discount. So like I said, I ordered one at full price, I ordered one at a discount, and then I ordered 2 of the TerraZyme because I use this every meal. Sometimes I use, well, not really. I usually use 2 a day, but once in a while I'm like, I need a 3rd one. So these are the food enzymes which help break down your food. Then you're going to get the nutrients that are in the food a little easier to digest your food, and voila, it's a no-brainer.
And I got the collagen, MetaPower collagen, and I got 2 polyphenols because I was running low and I wanted
Yes.
So I get 3.
Those were the 3, but he ordered the Lifelong
And
Vitality.
and I got the vitamins.
So he got that, and then you get the 3 at a discount.
Right.
So,
And I'm, like I said, I'm using the collagen every day now.
me too.
And-
We've been using it almost a full year.
Yeah, and I really like it.
Me too.
And
Absolutely.
I feel a difference.
Yeah, I do too.
I feel more flexible and agile. It's helping my
No,
joints
just kidding.
because I've injured myself several times. I fell off a ladder and blah 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 on my knee, and now I'm doing a lot better. Sure, I get sore, and sure, I need all kinds of stuff. But
Wow.
I tell you what, the collagen's really helping. Also, I am losing a little bit of size.
Yes, he has. So, do you have an open bottle of the Deep Blue Polyphenol?
Yes.
Okay. Amy wants to see how big they are. Because the Deep Blue Polyphenol, if anybody is not aware, is really, it's an internal product. It's a capsule. And it really kind of helps the achiness, the muscles, the joints, and all those things. He uses it a lot. I go through phases where I need it, and I use it a lot. And they're not like huge.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
can you see that,
I do
Amy?
it twice a day.
Yeah.
I do it in the morning with my
So-
morning vitamins and supplements,
Well, that's
and I
my
use it
crooked
in
pinky.
with my evening.
So there you go.
supplements.
My little finger there, and there's...
Yeah. So it's not
Does
very
that
big.
help?
It's not very big, but this stuff you can take internally
Right.
because it's a complex. It's not
Yes.
exactly like the deep blue oil or
Because,
the gel. It's a little bit different.
Yes, and the nice thing with all of the doTERRA supplements, they've either, well, these are powdered, so they dissolve in your stomach pretty fast. It might take a little bit of time, but your body doesn't have to break down any hard capsules like
Right.
you hear about that get caught in the...
Now, this
in
is
the
some of the
drains
stuff
and
that's in the deep blue polyphenol complex.
Yes.
Frankincense, turmeric, ginger. It's got green tea extract, and it's got
I can't see that tiny print.
pomegranate. Pomegranate. It's got grape. It's got
Grape or grape seed?
grape seed,
Okay.
and it's got some
Resveratrol.
resveratrol.
Try to...
Try to say that. And it's got a tummy tamer.
Yes.
So it's good stuff. And
Yeah, it
you know,
works really
I'm
well.
still alive and I've been using it for a while. But it's good stuff. It
Yes.
really, really, really helps.
Yes.
You can tell a little difference. You get tired from you come home from work or whatever, and you're like, oh, you know.
Okay.
But this is good stuff.
He could go on and on, so we have to, you know, like put on the brakes there. So, okay, so the other things that we got, well, mostly this is mine. On Guard Plus or On Guard gel caps, whichever one you want to call it.
Right.
The On Guard Immune Support blend, plus it has oregano, black pepper, and melissa, and those are some really great things for the upcoming seasons or whatever when we've got bugs floating around. This is just immune support, but
Yeah.
this is the immune support on steroids is what I call it.
It has the oregano, it has the black pepper,
And the melissa.
and the melissa.
Yes.
So it's a boom.
Yes, it is. Okay, so then also, these are the Copaiba or Copaiba, however you say it, gel caps. This is really good for circulation, for discomfort, and
And
those
pain, a little bit of, well, discomfort.
Yeah, be careful. What can I say? So anyway, yes, these work really well. I usually like to take one in the evening or the afternoon. I don't do 2 a day anymore. I was doing 2, but now I'm just doing 1 a day.
And I ran out, and I also gave one of my full ones to my mom, so she can use it with her.
Yes, discomfort, because she's almost 89. So he swiped one of my bottles, so
I have to give it back to her. The full one.
Yeah. Okay, so then the other thing I got was the PB Assist, which is the probiotic. And so it's got a prebiotic and a probiotic. And the prebiotic will dissolve in your stomach. And then the other will get into your gut, where you need to replenish the flora for your body's, I don't even know how to describe things sometimes. But it's probiotics. You know what those are. So these will replenish the things that we lose, especially if you've been on antibiotics, which will destroy the good flora in your gut. So these are great for that, which I haven't had that issue, but these are just a good thing to have and to use.
Yeah,
so.
you can tell the difference when you don't have a probiotic in your supplementation. You really can tell the difference.
Yep.
So those that aren't using one, the doTERRA one is one of the top notch ones out there.
Yep. And one thing about the PB Assist, this is going to be changing next week. They might still have some of this left over. I don't really know. But if this is already in your cart and you process your order this month, then the next, I think 1 or 2 months, you'll get the new one at this price rather than the newer higher price. It'll go up in price a little bit because they're adding even more strains of probiotic to these. So
yeah, I'm up for it. I'm up for that.
Yes, me too. Okay, then the other couple things that I got that I use every single day is I use the doTERRA Essential Skincare line, and this one came out years ago. I've always had drier skin, and by the afternoon I would get these little flaky spots on my face, and I have never had that since I've been using this. This is the cleanser, and then I like the moisturizer that I wear under my makeup. There's a hydrating moisture cream that I still have a little bit of, and that one, sometimes I use it at night, but you know what? Half the time I forget and don't use it at night, but I need to. Let's face it, I need to.
That's interesting because,
I need
you know, I don't pay attention to every detail, but I think I've noticed that her skin is looking more smooth and soft, and I think maybe it's these products she's using.
I would say so. So then, Leon, you talk about this, your juniper berry.
Well, juniper berry, I'm running low on my juniper berry, and one of the protocols that I use the juniper berry, along with a couple other oils, you rub it on your lower back, and that's where your adrenals are and your kidney type thing, and then also up in the upper stomach where you got the liver. So you want to be able to help support those particular filters, And juniper berry is a really good one.
Yes.
It's also good for little kids in the sense that they help them not to wet the bed or dream bad dreams.
Yep.
So that's a good oil.
Yes, absolutely. Then the other thing in which we got for free is this month, if you place a 125 PV,
Which we did.
Yep, we always do. And then we're going to buy kits at convention next
Oh,
week. But
yeah.
anyway, when you place a 125 PV order by the 15th of the month, they send you something free. And this month it is hinoki.
Ooh.
And it smells good. We've
got
been trying to figure out how to describe it.
Yeah, it's a neat smell.
Yeah, it is.
Have you ever bought stuff like wooden stuff items from Japan? Well, it has that kind of a fragrance.
Smell. Yeah, it comes from the wood or the bark of, I don't know exactly
Some
what.
not Hawaiian, but
It's from Japan.
Japan wood. But anyway, it
Yes.
smells good.
So
but
I'm going to read some things because this, I do have, I like this book, The Essential Life, and this is an older one, and I've already ordered the new one. Of course, it won't be printed until after they get the information for the new products this next week. So anyway, I've pre-ordered. Juniper berry is the bomb diggity. Oh, Amy, what do you use it for? That's really cool. Type that in if you can. So this book tells you about hinoki, even though it is not one of the oils that doTERRA has on a regular basis. They have had it before, long time ago, so once in a while they have these specials and they do these fun oils. So this is what it says. I'm going to have to try and be careful how I say this. So if you have an overactive mind or overstimulated or frazzled nerves, use hinoki. You can just put it on the bottom of your feet. You can diffuse it. You can put a little bit in your hands, breathe it in, those kind of things. It's good for respiratory stuff. It's good for when you're kind of moody. Say, Mom, me ever moody? No.
yeah.
Anyway, it's good for, it's helpful for, well, let's see. I'll say it this way. It's supportive for your cardiovascular and for your circulation and tense, overworked, and tired muscles. Yeah, that's why I said cardiovascular.
Okay,
I said it in that form. So, also, this is interesting. It says if you've been exposed to too many EMFs or things from your cell phone, that's a good one to use. I would never have known that. So that's really cool. Or if you're on your computers too much. Oh, you can also use it for a deodorant. It's good for scars and wrinkles and some of those things. Yeah. Insects don't really like it, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
And you can put it you can use it on your cutting boards, and it's a wood preservative, which is really cool.
Wow.
And what it says down here, it doesn't give a lot of the emotional benefits. It just gives you one little thing, and it says it helps you to go from muddled to poised.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
I need that. I totally need that.
Me too.
I come home muddled and I need to get poised.
He's a bus driver for the schools. I would be crazy. But once he retired.
I love those little creatures.
He was retired for a few months and then said, I'm going to go drive bus for the school. And I'm like, okay. So now we're on year 3. And so I would be totally frazzled. I'd be like, shut up.
It is a little challenging, but I need to be poised.
Yes. Well, don't use it and fall asleep now. Right?
No, yeah.
Anyway, that is our haul for this month, and
every month we have something.
Because we use it all the time.
When you use the products, you're going to reorder.
Exactly.
And it might not be the same thing. It might be something totally different.
But this is something I usually order. Now, I won't need to order this for a couple months because I've got the 2. But
most likely I'll have to reorder it next month because I am using it every week.
Yeah, every week.
Every day of the week.
That's right. So that's it for today. And Okay, convention starts next Wednesday, but we won't really get the new products until Thursday. So I'm going to try and do a live about the new products. So we'll see if I even remember.
It's going to be fun. The weather's going to be good. It should be a really nice time off, and learn so much.
I know,
and the energy, you know.
It's so fun.
It's so
awesome.
fun.
Even for old people like me, you know, it's like, it's all good. I love being there. And then there's so many fun things to do. Teresa!
Hi, Teresa!
Come on, I haven't seen you for so long.
Oh.
Our prayers are with you guys all the time.
Yes, they are.
All the time. We love you and miss you guys so much.
Yeah.
So yeah, at convention, there's other, you know, you've got the talks and all that stuff and the presentations and everything, but back another part of the building, they have every oil.
Right, it's
and
a product
in a couple of different
showcase,
places.
and then they have all of the booths.
Yeah, they'll have
and
a
if
booth.
you have any questions and stuff like that, you can go there about the media or about or Dr. Riggs. You know, he'll have his staff there. Yeah. And it's just so good because it smells so good too. Everybody's trying out different oils.
And that's the thing, is they've got at least two big old huge areas where they've got all the oils open, and you can go down there and
hundreds of oils.
So
you're like splashing them on.
You're like, woohoo, you know, just they're there. And then all these other little areas, like Leon was saying, where you can you know, they might have a MetaPower one, they might have this, they might have that. They always have the upcoming Christmas stuff on display,
nice to see.
Which is really kind of fun. And last year they had the doTERRA lab, and they you could go in there and make little bottles of hair serum, which was really cool. And the year before that, they did bath salts.
Right.
That was really fun.
Yeah.
And like he said, it's fun to see people that you might not see very often because they live somewhere else or whatever. But
yeah, that's true. It's always
so fun.
good. We're going to meet up with some friends that we haven't seen for a little while, and it's so awesome to do that.
It really is.
It really is. It's nice that they're still involved with doTERRA, and that doTERRA is going really well in their lives. And it's just so nice because you exchange things that they're doing that we're doing,
you know,
and you learn. Much. And there's so many things you'll come back, you know, away from. Yeah. You know, yes,
so true.
You know, it's a little time, you know, and so forth, but it's really worth it. It's so fun.
It is. It's quite the journey, but it is so worth it. So anyway, we will sign off. Okay. You guys have a great evening.
And go tear it up.
You betcha. Teresa, we need to talk. I miss you. Okay.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye.